Anthony. Wow, I can't believe that our wedding day is finally here. It has been the day that I've been waiting for since the night that I met you.
Jacquelyn, I cannot wait to see how gorgeous you look walking down that aisle. It's truly impossible for me to completely put my love for you into words. When I'm with you, I'm at my happiest and my best. I'll love you forever through the good and the bad.
From our first date to now, our wedding day, you have shown me nothing but love every step of the way. As we journey through this life together, there will be good times and then there will be bad times, but I know that we will have each other to get through it all. Throughout our relationship, life has already thrown us some serious curveballs. But through each event, we were there for each other, supporting and loving each other. And that is what I love most about us.
I cannot wait to finally call you my wife. I will always look back on January 8th, 2022 as a day that would change my life, change the rest of my life in the best way possible.
I pray that our love for each other continues to strengthen and grow throughout our lifetime together. I pray that we are able to have a happy and healthy family. I simply can't wait to see you as a dad. I know that I'm going to fall even more in love with you.
You're the most kind, smart, caring, loving, and strong person I've ever met, and I'll forever be grateful for you. You've always been there for me when I needed someone the most, and I wouldn't want it any other way. You've always loved my family as if it were you, if it were your own, and now it is. Today is the best day of my life. I've been looking forward to this day for quite a while and can't wait to finally be able to call you my wife. I'm beyond excited to spend the rest of our lives together and can't wait to start our own family and see you be the best mom ever.
I pray that I can always see the love that you have for me in your smile and your actions. I pray to be the wife and partner that you need and deserve. Anthony, I promise to always love you. I promise to make you a priority even when we have children and life gets busy. I promise to support you in all that you do. I promise to be faithful to you. And most of all, I promise to be your wife until death do us part. You are stuck with me. Thank you for everything that you've done for me.
I firmly believe I'm the luckiest man in the world because I get to sleep and wake up with you by my side every day. I can't wait to continue to make memories and more best days ever together every step of the way. I love you, your future husband.
I'm a better person because I am with you. You balance me out, support me when I need it, calm me down when I can't calm myself down. And as you should know, the list goes on. I know that our love will continue to grow stronger as we journey through life together. I can't wait to see what this life has in store for us, Anthony Wayne. Now can we get married already? Love, your soon-to-be wife, Jacquelyn.
A feeling that is deeper than the ocean, raging to the sound of us. The whisper of the wind, the rush of the unknown, more than just a glimpse in time. Speaking to the soul of every longing, calling it to deeper light. The light and the wilderness, we were made for all of this. You alone, my confidence. Ready for it all. This is who we are. And this is
It is now my privilege to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Mormon.
just 'cause your eyes are free doesn't give the right to say I was born this way. You see the part you play, all the silhouettes you made, fleet the light of day. I wish I was innocent in a bad way, but I found you're not come after soldiers lest they were yours in the first place. Oh, I swim down our violet sea, but I'm bending like a near to you. So let's try like monkey see. But when it's dark, man, our heart can bleed. Alright. Why do I push away when your welcome is overstayed? All I breathe is gray. But through the disarray, you're the emissary, babe. To my left, right,